Okay, I've been waiting for this package all week. Let's unbox the PUFTEM Electric Spin Scrubber together. First impression, the box looks premium and sturdy. Opening it up, wow, everything's packed neatly inside. Here's the main scrubber handle, feels solid in my hand. You get 6 different brush heads, super versatile. There's the charger and a quick start guide included. I love that it's cordless, no annoying wires at all. Let's check out the battery display on the handle. It lights up clearly. Easy to see how much power is left. Now, let's snap on a brush head. Really simple to attach. The grip is ergonomic, fits comfortably in my palm. Time to test it in my bathroom. Let's get cleaning. Turning it on, I hear a low, steady hum. Wow, the spinning action is powerful but not too loud. I'm using the medium brush for my shower tiles. It glides smoothly, scrubbing away soap scum effortlessly. Switching to the small brush for the sink corners, it reaches tight spots easily, no more awkward angles. Let's try the soft brush on my window tracks. It lifts dirt without scratching. Super gentle and effective. Changing brush heads is quick. Just pop and twist. I like the 2 speed settings, normal and turbo. Turbo mode really helps with stubborn stains and grout. The battery level display is a game changer. No more guessing if it'll die mid-clean. I cleaned my whole bathroom and still have battery left. The waterproof design means I don't worry about splashes. It's lightweight enough for elderly users or anyone. The handle doesn't slip, even with wet hands. I appreciate the quiet motor, no harsh buzzing. The 6 brush heads cover every cleaning need. From grout lines to glass, it handles everything. I even use the flat brush on my kitchen stove. Grease just wipes away, so much less scrubbing. The warranty is 2 years with lifetime tech support. There's also a 30-day no-reason return policy. That's real peace of mind for a cleaning gadget. And the packaging makes it a great gift option. Perfect for busy professionals or anyone with limited time. Honestly, it saves me so much effort and energy. No more sore arms after deep cleaning days. It's also ideal for elderly family members, lightweight and safe. The battery indicator is bright and easy to read. I love that I can clean multiple rooms on one charge. The dual-speed motor is a huge plus for flexibility. It's powerful enough for tough jobs, gentle for delicate surfaces. I even used it on my car wheels, worked perfectly. Cleaning windows, tiles, sinks, one tool does it all. If you hate scrubbing by hand, you need this. It's honestly a game changer for household cleaning routines. Would I recommend it? Absolutely, especially for busy homes. Just remember to fully charge before first use. Grab yours on Amazon for free delivery if eligible. Don't wait. Make cleaning faster, easier, and more satisfying. Trust me, your back and your bathroom will thank you. Before it sells out again, hit that link in the description and check it out.